Okay, today we'll be talking about the Ruler Protocol. And the Ruler Protocol is still another decentralized application in the NEAR ecosystem. And it is actually a lending platform where users can borrow their preferred cryptocurrencies with any other assets as collateral. So any other assets means any other cryptocurrency. So let's take for example, in a centralized financial system, maybe you want to start a business. So you don't have enough capital, but you have some properties, or you don't want to sell maybe your property to start a business. So you go to the bank and say, hey, I have this as a property, but I need this amount of loan. Can you give me this amount of loan, and I will use this as my collateral? So the bank will now ascertain the amounts you want to borrow and also value your collateral, the asset you are bringing as your collateral. So if the value of the asset is more than the amount you want to borrow, then they will give you necessary documents to fill, and then thereafter they give you the loan. And every loan is with a stipulated time of payment. So at the end of the stipulated time, if you are able to pay your loan up, then you take back your collateral. But if you fail to pay back your loan, the bank will now take your collateral in place of the loan, so that they can be able to sell it, whatever, to redeem their money. In the same way, Ruler Protocol works in similar manner. So maybe let's take for example, you want to use NEAR token for a particular transactions. What you need is NEAR token, but you don't have NEAR token. What you have is maybe Ethereum, and you want to use the Ethereum to exchange, or maybe you want to, so maybe you come to their platform and say, hey, I have this token and I want to use this token for something. Can somebody borrow me? So you go to their forum. So lenders are always there. So you will go through the process and they will give you the criteria that the loan collateral ratio is 3 times your actual value you want to borrow. Like you want to borrow 1,000 NEAR, you have to deposit Ethereum that you have that is equivalent to like 3,000 NEAR. So let's say 1 Ethereum is equal to 3,000 NEAR. You deposit 1 Ethereum. After depositing the Ethereum, they will now give you a Ruler coin, a Ruler capital token. So the Ruler capital token will now give you the right to collect the payment of the loan after expiry. So what that means is, after receiving the capital token, and also they will also give you a Ruler repayment token as well, because that Ruler repayment token will now guarantee that you are going to pay back the loan at the end of the estimated time, the stipulated time. So they will give you the maybe 1,000 Ruler capital token. So you now go to any decentralized exchange system at all, and then exchange the Ruler capital token. And let's say you go to maybe Binance and make the exchange, and you exchange it exactly 1,000 NEAR. Then that 1,000 NEAR will now become the loan for you. So in the time of paying back, you have to pay the 1,000 NEAR plus the interest. Now the interest is not by so percentage of what you borrow. The interest is basically dependent on the demand and supply of the currency that you are borrowing. So within the period of time before you pay back, or before your loan expires, within the period of time, if your the current coin you borrow, if the value increase, the interest also will increase. If the value of the coin reduce, the interest rate also will reduce. It depends on the supply and demand. So that is how the forum works. So they provide fixed rate loans, and the fungible loans, they are tradable. That is, the roller capital token that they are giving you is tradable. You use it for exchange to get the actual coin that you really want to use, and then you use it for whatever exchange or whatever stuff you want to use it for. And before the stipulated time, you now come back and pay the amount you borrow. After completing the payment, you will now receive your 1 Ethereum back. But at the end of the stipulated time, if you fail to pay your loan, then the lender will now claim your collateral, which is your 1 Ethereum. So that is how the platform works. So it is a platform that you can take a look at to see if it is okay for you to get involved. So that is about the Roller protocol. So you can check out the platform to get more information about the process of obtaining the loans and the rest of it. So the processes are there in the platform as well. So check out. I will drop the links in the description below for you to check out. Thank you.